Now we will see transaction with insert. Okay, so see, transaction means it is a sequence of one or more SQL statements that are executed as a single unit of work. Okay, so if you take MySQL and SQL Server for data type kind of exceptions. Okay, if you take MySQL and SQL Server, if any statement fails to execute, if you don't use transaction up to the statement, what are the statements are there? All statements are executed. Okay, so like this. If you don't use transactions, first statement will be executed successfully. Data will be populated in first table, employee transaction one table, and the second table while inserting the data, we are having error. Okay, so why? Because we don't have the sufficient data type size. Okay, if we use transactions, then none of these statements are executed. If you don't use transactions, then first statement will be executed, data will be inserted into the employee transaction table, one table. So same thing in MySQL SQL Server. Coming to the PostgreSQL, it will not allow to execute it. Okay, by default, some transaction properties will be satisfied in PostgreSQL. So if you want, you can check it. See this. So employee transaction one table, we are not having any record. Okay. Now we will check with transaction with insert. So in real time, how to write the insert statements, okay, in transactions. So we'll take, so this one, transaction insert. So create or replace procedure transaction underscore insert. And parameters, I'm not taking the parameters, language PL, pgSQL. And as begin, so insert into we take one table, create table. So is there test table is there here? Okay, test table is there. Create table student table, and here student number integer, student name, that is varchar of 50, and I am taking this one primary key. So here student std, what is that? Std number, yes name. student number, yes name, values, and here one student name is A. Okay, so here exception. So here at this point, we will have exception. When others, then rollback, raise notice, error message, percentage, SQL ERRM. At last, we will write commit. We will check all error, duplicate key value, violation, unique key constraint, student primary key. Okay. Select star from student. See, all are row back. Okay. See, due to this exception, then all records have been rolled back. Okay. If you don't use transaction, then it will break. So you here end. All this and see. And after this exception block, and here see. So here exception will come and go to this exception block. Okay. So after, if I try to insert one record, that is B, we will check. See, that record has been inserted. Okay. So simple. Here one record I want to insert here. So same record, if I again inserted, means if that column name is having some primary key kind of thing, then it will roll back again. Okay, it will roll back whatever the transactions commands are executed earlier. So all commands are rolled back. Once it is rolled back, if I write one more command to insert, then it is allowed to insert it. Okay, so this is about
Okay.
insert.